Start off with a synth ARP that's got about 600 effects going at once. Layer that with a simple lead just following the same notes. Finally, chuck a piano in there to speed up the track a little bit. Now actually establish a groove with this hi-hat. Chuck a clap and snare in there where you'd expect. Add a little triangle for some percussion. Now it's time for the most important part of the track, the 808. This is definitely the most expensive part of the track. You need to get in the booth with at least 6 figures worth of jewellery on and dangle it around a little bit. Finally, add this thing. And here's what it should sound like.